Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I am with another Google Sheet workflow automation. In this automation, we have a set of 4 templates, 4 forms, and 4 Google Sheets. So the workflow will be from the Google form. If someone will submit the form, the data will go into the Google Sheet in the next available row with the timestamp and other things. And I have set up these things so that you can get as soon as the new entry of the form will be submitted, Word document will be get generated. Word document like the Google Doc will be generated in the folder where the templates are lying. There are 2 folders, docs and PDFs. So the docs folder will get updated with another document according to the new entry submitted through the form, and Word and a Google Doc will be submitted in here. And the Google Doc ID, the time when the Google Doc submitted, and the URL to navigate it to will get updated in the Google Sheet. Then you can open the Google Sheet and modify accordingly wherever you like to fill the check boxes, or if you want to type in something, any comments added or anything, any change you want to do. Once all the changes are done, you can save and close the document, and then jump in here on this column Z and mark a checkbox with anything. And you can drag these to these 3 documents. Okay, these 3 are done. Once you mark the PDF yes or anything, you can jump in here and click on this generate PDF button. As soon as you will click on the generate PDF button, the updated format of the Google Doc will get updated with a PDF document, and the PDF ID will be here, PDF time, and PDF URL will be here, and the PDF will get saved in the PDF deck PDF folder in this one. So this is for the setup number 2. I just noticed that I am unable to access to the setup number 1. Maybe the folder has the updated with the access, and I don't have access anymore for the product number 1, whereas product number 2, 3, and 4 are functioning properly. I'll be presenting you the menu on 1, 2, and 3 with both generate PDF and generate doc. So for example, if you want to delete the doc, if you don't want this doc and you want to regenerate again by maybe changing some values in this one, and then update the document as well. So what you can do, once you update the document for the details for this form, you can just delete the documents detail in here and run the generate docs. So once you click on this, it will create the document for the entries which does not have any document generated yet, or you might have deleted, so that they can generate again. And then again, you can select the Ys once you are done with this. So just select the Y only when you want to convert these document to PDF. Once you select the Y, maybe you can select, you don't need to select the Y for everyone. You might need to select the Y for maybe only for the selected ones. And then click on this generate PDFs. I can't currently do this because I don't have the access on the project number 1. So I'll be doing this for the project number 2. So if I'll click Y in here and click generate PDFs, if I have the access, then these should have been get filled. And we don't need to go into the Google Drive folder. You can see the document has been generated. We don't need to jump in here. We can simply navigate to the PDF directly by clicking on the link. You can see all of these are working fine. So I have added this timestamp like hours and minutes. So it means 2 hours and 2 minutes. Here, whereas AM, PM are being updated in all of these. And yep, you can always update the drop down from the Word doc, Google Doc once you are updating it. And yeah, I have updated with the random signature. So you can give me your signature so that I can update these into the template. And once you will be testing it manually filling by something, like just try to fill by yourself, and do let me know if you need any further assistance or maybe any modification required, maybe any red font or the font size change or anything else. Yeah, these are blue. We can make those black. Similarly, for this date, you need to update once you are making the manual changes, you need to update this date as well. And you obviously you want to, I just kept this red just to mention you that you have to work on it. Do not assume that this is coming from the Google Sheet. This has to be updated manually. So please do look into it. And yep, once you go through, I'll submit the offer order, And even post order, if there is any modifications, I'll be here and I'll be updating for anything you need. Similarly, let me quickly show you. So the form number 3 is here, and I hope I have set up the trigger so that it can update the when as soon as the document will the form will get filled in, the document will be generated. So what you have to do this step. Click on activate automation for project number 1, 2, and 3 so that those will be under your ownership. What I'm trying to say here is that if you will run this up, activate the automation, what this will do, this will sync it through your ID that, okay, whenever there is a form submitted, create the document for that. And you will be the owner for that. Currently, I have submitted it, I have activated it, and I need to remove it. Okay, let me quickly submit the form. So I'll call it test. Select any date, time, as location. I can keep everything test. 5:33 or maybe 8:44. Keep it test, and jump in here. And here you will see there is a new update. New data is here, and it should update the document. Yep, you can see the document has been updated. Now you can open the document. Yes, all the formats are proper. You can make the changes and save it. Once done, again come back in here, mark these values as Y or anything else. Just don't leave those empty if you want to convert these to PDF and generate PDFs. Let me take you to the folder. You can see currently I'm the owner of these documents because I have activated this automation. So as soon as there will be a submission, the document will get generated. So what I will do, once I'll be completing this demo, I'll be removing this, the activation. You have to activate it yourself so that the document generated will be under your ownership. Let me show you the PDF quickly as well. PDF generated. Yep, that is it from my side. So please do update the automation. I'll be removing the activation so that you have to activate it yourself to get document generated through your document and your ownership. That's it from my side. Let's have a call if you have any questions or if you want to have a short discussion. Looking forward for your response. Take care. Bye.